Somewhere in a quiet forest, 4 decades ago, a small sapling pushed its way through the soil. It faced wind, heat, rain, and time. Year after year, it grew taller, thicker, and stronger, unaware that one day it would leave the forest and become part of a human story. Today, that story reaches a turning point. A single piece of that tree is about to be shaped into something entirely new. The slow life of a tree. For 40 years, the tree lived at its own natural pace. Unlike machines or factories, nature never rushes. Growth came in cycles. Wet seasons encouraged expansion, dry seasons slowed it down. Each cycle left a mark, forming the rings that now lie hidden beneath the surface of the wood. These rings are not just patterns, they are records of time. They tell us how the tree adapted to storms, droughts, and changing weather. By the time it was mature, the fibers inside had become dense and stable, making the timber strong and reliable. That quiet, steady growth is what gives aged wood its unique strength and character. A change in purpose. When the tree was finally cut, its life in the forest ended, but its journey did not. The trunk was divided into logs and transported away from the landscape it had known for decades. What once was part of a living ecosystem being now raw material waiting for a new purpose. At first, the wood looked ordinary, rough, heavy, and covered with bark. But inside, hidden beneath the surface, were patterns and textures formed slowly over 40 years. The true beauty of the wood would only be revealed later, after careful preparation and shaping. The waiting continues. Even after reaching the workshop, the wood could not be used immediately. Fresh timber holds moisture deep within its fibers. If shaped too early, it can shrink, crack, or bend out of shape. So once again, the wood waited, this time stacked carefully in a dry, ventilated space. Over months and sometimes years, it slowly released its moisture into the air. This stage required no tools, no cutting, and no noise, only patience. By the time the wood was ready to be worked, it had spent not just 40 years growing, but additional time stabilizing and preparing for transformation. The first look inside. The first cut into aged timber is always a revealing moment. As the blade passed through the surface, it exposed the inner grain that had been protected for decades. Lines flowed across the surface in waves and curves, forming natural designs that no artist could draw intentionally. Some areas showed tight, closely spaced rings from years of slow growth. Other areas displayed wider spacing, marking seasons when the tree grew faster. Together, these patterns formed a natural artwork created entirely by time and environment. Each section of the wood looked slightly different, reminding us that nature never repeats itself exactly. Respecting the material. Working with wood that has aged for decades requires more than technical skill, it demands respect. Every unnecessary cut means removing something that took years to form. That is why planning and careful measurement come before any major shaping begins. Instead of forcing the wood into an artificial design, the goal is often to let the grain guide the final form. Curves in the material suggest where to cut. Natural features such as knots or color variations can become focal points rather than defects. This approach turns woodworking into a collaboration between human intention and natural structure. Shaping with precision. Gradually, the raw block of timber began to change shape. Rough edges were trimmed away, and the form of the final piece started to appear. Tools moved slowly and deliberately, removing thin layers at a time rather than large chunks. Wood behaves differently depending on how it is cut. When tools move along the grain, the surface becomes smooth and clean. When they move against it, the fibers may tear. Understanding this behavior is essential for achieving accurate and refined results. As the shaping continued, the transformation became more visible. The material that once resembled a simple log now carried the clear outline of a crafted object. Refining the surface. After shaping, the focus shifted to refinement. Sanding removed small tool marks and gradually smoothed the surface. The texture changed from rough to silky, and the natural grain became easier to see with each pass. This stage often takes longer than people expect. The smoother the surface becomes, the more noticeable even tiny imperfections appear. Achieving a flawless finish requires patience and repeated inspection under different lighting conditions. Only when the surface felt perfectly even was the piece ready for the next stage. Revealing the hidden colors. The application of finish marked one of the most dramatic moments in the entire process. As oil or protective coating touched the surface, the colors of the wood deepened almost instantly. Light brown tones became richer, and darker lines within the grain stood out more clearly. It was as if the wood had been asleep and was suddenly awakened. Details that were barely visible before now appeared sharp and vivid. The natural patterns looked more like flowing water or layered stone than ordinary timber. This stage often surprises viewers the most because it shows how much beauty was hidden inside the wood all along. A new role in human spaces. Once the finish dried, the piece was ready to leave the workshop and enter a new environment: a home, an office, or another indoor space. In its new setting, the wood would no longer sway in the wind or absorb rain, but it would continue to serve a purpose. Instead of supporting branches and leaves, it might now support books, meals, or daily activities. The role had changed, but the strength and stability developed during its years as a tree remained essential. This transition shows how natural materials can move from one stage of usefulness to another without losing their value. The meaning behind the craft. Creating something from wood is not just about producing a functional object. It is about recognizing the time and natural effort stored within the material. 40 years of growth cannot be recreated in a factory or accelerated by technology. By shaping and preserving this wood, the craftsman ensures that those decades are not forgotten or wasted. Instead, they become part of an object that people can see, touch, and use every day. In this way, woodworking connects past and present, linking the life of a tree to the daily lives of the people who will use the finished piece. Final reveal and reflection. Looking at the finished creation, it is difficult to imagine that it once stood as part of a forest canopy. Smooth surfaces, clean edges, and polished grain have replaced rough bark and irregular branches. Yet, inside the wood, the story of those 40 years remains permanently recorded in the rings and patterns. Anyone who looks closely can still see the evidence of time, growth, and natural change. The transformation is complete, but the story continues in a new form. If you enjoy seeing how natural materials are transformed through patience and craftsmanship, this is only one of many stories waiting to be told. Support the channel by liking this video and sharing it with others who appreciate real wood and handmade design. And if you would like to see more projects, processes, and behind-the-scenes moments from the workshop, make sure to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio and follow along as more pieces of wood begin their own journeys.